Hi, welcome to Teacher Bob. For this video, I'm going to unbox a product that I just bought through Lazada online shopping. And the product is multi-purpose Ninja key holder. And it's this package. So, let's open it up. We have to be careful at opening so as I don't break anything, any item inside. According to the sellers on Luyan General Merchandise has a 90% positive rating, 99% shipping on time, and 97% chat response. And it looks nice. The packaging looks nice, and it says here, replace your messy keyring. So this is Key Ninja. It has several features which I'm going to mention a bit later. So let's open it up. I think this is the S holder, which is for bigger keys, because from the specification or highlight of this product, which I'm going to show you later, it includes an S hook for bigger keys. So it's assembled already, and there's a sample keys here, which actually not real keys, just to show you how it looks like. What else is inside? Okay, so there are more items here. Definitely inside is, the paper inside is an instruction. I don't know what are these for. It says instructions and extra extension posts hidden inside package. Oh, so it's this one. So this is what's being said here, that is hidden inside the package, because this is actually, I found it in between these, inside or in between these papers. I found it like this. So it includes an extension items. So the package is complete, and here are the highlights. It has two LED lights which illuminate both ends. Another thing is it can hold up to 30 keys. It has a built-in bottle opener, which I'm going to find out later. And also here it says bonus S hook for attaching remotes and large keys, which is, I believe, is this one. Do I need to use this? I don't think I need to use this extension post at this time, as I don't have too many keys. So unboxing of multi-purpose key ninja holder is complete. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and also please subscribe to my channel so you help me increase my number of subscribers and to be able to hit 1000 subscribers. Thank you for watching. This slot is for opening the bottle, but I don't have a bottle so I can't demonstrate if this built-in bottle opener is working. Anyway, it looks like a Swiss Army knife, right? That's the reason why I like this product. It's handy, it's not messy, it's compact. See, I have small keys here. There, right? And although some of my keys are too long to fit, but it's still okay, it's not that bad.